Hi, this is Nina. I'm a recent PhD in comparative literature from Harvard. And like our speaker today, I'm a part of the biotechnology research cluster within the Transformations of the Human program. I'm based in the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory with Owen Brody's team, where I focus on microbiome research and biogeochemistry of Earth systems. And it's my pleasure to introduce my closest colleague today, Gabriel Curran. Gabriel holds a PhD in cultural anthropology from the University of California, Berkeley. And in his dissertation titled New Materials for Life, he chronicled how chemical and life scientists fabricate novel forms of living matter for biotechnology and medicine. Gabriel is also an editor with the History of Anthropology Review. And as a Transformations of the Human researcher, he conducts fieldwork at the Stanford Department of Bioengineering with Drew Andy's team of synthetic biologists. Gabriel also leads our weekly grotto meetings. And under Tobias's guidance, Gabriel and I are composing a catalog of philosophical works that have shaped the conceptual history of nature in European thought. And besides all that, Gabriel also started conversations with a few biotech companies, of which he'll be talking about today. So all Gabriel's projects have a common focus on a planetary whole Earth perspective, or as we call it, h.earth, that is human and Earth approach to biotechnology and the human, in which we're trying to consider them both not as separated from nature, but as integrated into nature. And this is a new perspective to biological sciences and engineering that opens many philosophical questions and possible venues for a new practice.